Today I'm going to teach you how to change the status of tasks in ClickUp. This is a fundamental skill that helps you keep track of where each task stands in your workflow, making project management much more organized and transparent for your entire team. First, open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your workspace. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your main ClickUp dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll see various navigation options. Click on Spaces to view all the different spaces you've created or have access to within your workspace. Spaces in ClickUp act as high-level containers for organizing different departments, projects, or areas of work. Once you've clicked on Spaces, select the specific space that contains the task you want to update. After opening your chosen space, look for the List option and click on it. Lists help you organize tasks into manageable groups within your space, making it easier to find and track related items. Now comes the important part: browse through your list to locate the specific task whose status you need to change. Once you've found it, simply click on the task name. This action will expand the task, revealing all its details and options in a more comprehensive view where you can make various modifications. With the task expanded, look for the status field. This is typically displayed prominently near the top of the task details panel, making it easy to identify. You'll see the current status of your task displayed here. Click on the field directly beside the status label. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you all available status options for this task. Here you can select from different statuses depending on where the task currently stands. You'll typically see options like Not Started, which represents to-do tasks, Active, which indicates tasks that are in progress, and Closed, which marks tasks as complete. Simply click on the status that best reflects the current state of your task, and the change will be applied immediately. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your task status in ClickUp, helping maintain clear visibility of your project's progress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.